So today we will look about various working of Dialogbox launcher and what are they. So with this, as we discussed last time also, that the first Dialogbox launcher is Clipboard. Where we find Clipboard? We find within Home tab there is a Clipboard launcher. So we can view and reuse copied item from the Clipboard launcher. We will see how. So in this, let's say this is a worksheet I am having and this is the data. You can look at the data. This is the data I am having right now, which is having 4 column region, product, sales and status. And in the home tab, here there is a small icon which is a clipboard option. So if I click over here, so what it is saying, click an item to paste, clipboard empty, copy or cut to collect item, right? And two options are over here, paste all and clear all. Both are gray in color at present. Let's say I have copied this tag. The moment I copy, you see it is mentioning over here that region north, south, north. 4 values are being copied. Now let's say I copy this, then again see another data is being copied over here in the clipboard. Let's say I copy this entire column, Control C, this is being copied, status. I'll go to some other sheet and if I copy some data, see this is being copied. Now let's say in blank sheet, later on I want to use this, I can just copy. Then I want to use it, I can paste it, right? I can keep my cursor somewhere, I can paste it. Keep my cursor somewhere, I can paste it. Wherever I want to paste, I can paste it, right? I can paste it. Like here if I go, if I paste it, I can paste it, right? So this is how this can be pasted n number of times. This can be pasted n number of times. Still you are not clearing it. So I can reuse it n number of times. I can reuse it n number of times. Right? So normally what happened ki when we copy something and we just paste it, after that we lose that data. So here you are not losing that data. You can get it anytime till you are not clearing it from the clipboard. So this is clipboard option. Once you clear it all, it will get clear. And let's say you have copied this data, this Control C. Now again this data is over here and then you copied this data, right? And Control C, right? Now in this new sheet, if you say paste all, so it will be going to paste. But only the thing is why this error is coming, because it is not in the area where it should appear. It is overlapping each other. So when you click in this way, it is coming, right? But at the same place only my another data was there. That is why it was not able to paste it, because the area which is being selected was, or the range was A1 to D10 and the same range was here also. So that is why. That is why it is showing you the error. So you have to take care of this thing also. I hope you are able to understand about clipboard, and later on you can clear this. See, I did paste all because the new place was there. That is why it has pasted everything, right? So it has pasted everything over here. So paste all, because data, again see, this is pasted, right? So you have to do it properly. Where you want to paste, what you want to paste, how much you want to paste, right? In that way it will be, you will be able to paste it. I hope you are able to understand. You can reuse, in one way you can say you can reuse n number of times the copied data. Copied data is not going to get deleted in any of the MS Office application, whether it is Excel or Word or PowerPoint. It remains in clipboard. So many times when you use cut copy paste option, you see if you are copied something and you're closing an application, the message appears that do you want to keep it in the clipboard. So if you say yes, so your copied data will lie in the clipboard. Next time when you open the application, you will see that the data is lying in the clipboard. This is about clipboard dialog box.